What's going on, community? Welcome to the first video recipe that we're going to do, the first video demonstration recipe. This is the skinny Mexican pizza copycat recipe from Taco Bell. So here we go, enjoy, and just remember, if you have any suggestions or something that you'd like to see, leave a comment below or jump on Instagram and contact us there at Showoff Athletics, and you can post a recipe or you can post an idea, and we will get back with you very soon. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed that little demonstration video of the Mexican pizza dish. Again, if you have any suggestions of food that you'd like to see or anything, we're trying all kinds of different things. So shoot us a recipe or shoot us an idea, and we'll get to work on it, get that video out. And again, thank you so much, guys, for finding value in this, for finding motivation. Everyone in the challenge, the Showoff challenge, we're really excited for everyone to keep making progress. And we're really hoping that these recipes kind of mix up some ideas for you to be able to try. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Make sure that you go check out Showoff Athletics on Instagram, and if you're on there, give us a follow, and also comment back, give us some feedback. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye. For that little video, again, like I said, if you I hope you enjoyed that video, that little demonstration of the Mexican pizza dish.